Price is not the one that is. As soon as the coast is clear, I am going to kickstart what we have on deck, and I'll be looking into some forex pairs, and I'll also be looking into right. So earlier today, I saw AUD New Zealand, and this is what I saw. Okay, price actually hitting this very sensitive stop and reverse level for me, quite above the previous last month's high though, and it went as far as took maybe around it did not much actually, about 34 pips, and hit the next point, the next stop and reverse level, which is actually around 1.1135, and but the next thing was to look for a sell up, start looking for actually to look for maybe if price movement actually, this move, since price actually take advantage of this, price fall from those points, to anywhere it, stops at. Now, this is what we have. I'm not going to bore you with, all this strong technical FX or financial trading, some people call it specialist language. Everybody have theirs, but it's just to let you understand how the market, they understand the flow. So it's better to use what we call layman's term or layman's language. So we can sorry sell from this point here. I'm actually expecting a point. So let's look into a smaller time frame and see trading AUD New Zealand. I must not lie about, I must not fake it, or I must not say things that I tell you things that I don't do and say that I do it. But it's just that from the desk, trading Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. That is the AUD news, AUD NZD. So I'm just, giving out the, not actually a professional advice though. This is just a content that we find it with your trading style, technique, or methodology and see if it fits. Then you can also for you. All right, so that's it. So A in New Zealand, I'm actually expecting a fall from any. Okay, that moves me to another one. We just upgraded the our page yesterday where to one place. Okay, we have to put it into one place where everybody can benefit from it, where everybody can actually benefit from it. So this is what we have. This okay. An upgrade for um our business here at FXtraderKGEE. We actually had to put even from the official website, which is what you get. This is what actually you click here. You imposters don't comment. Starts telling you that this is FS packages, maybe social media, maybe YouTube. We don't do investment. We don't do anything. We only do live trading, and also secondly, we educate people so we can go to the website and make any and every inquiry you need to make about the business of financial trading as a whole. Yes, FXtraderKGEE is one size that fits our channel, our community, the growing community on Telegram, and where we do a little write up and even the little podcast that we have done. So we just joined some other ones. So every link, anything you need to verify, anybody that comes to you, you know, or preaches or pitches to the KG, you just need to do one thing: rush to this place. Or it's better to go to the website at the bottom right of your screen on the website if you're on PC. Or yeah, just look for a link which says across all platforms, and it will definitely take you to this place where you need to verify us. Okay, verify any link. So whatever link you don't get here, please don't join in the name of FXtraderKGEE. All right. So that explains everything you need to know about this. So moving on to sell. See, price is actually for us. I mean, sell. Okay, so this is 44,455.8. Now we were expecting another TP here. So which means price actually trading the few people that are there on the table, everything that we need to drop for them to enjoy the business of trading forex indices, commodity, what crypto and what have you. All right, so that's it. That explains it. 30. We have price has broken. Price has broken a significant support area, and we'll be looking at this point also. The price should also break. These two bottoms here. All right. So the moment price breaks this support and stop, which is anywhere around this stop and very significant level also at 43,424.4 price level. Okay, so that also is that about that. Let's move on and look at another one. Okay, I want to also quickly look at S&P 500. That is for standard. It can happen anytime. That is the bottom line. It may happen anytime, but the point is we need to analyze to know where we are putting. We need to analyze so that we know where we are putting our money into. Okay, we need to analyze so that of the FX, be it indices, be it commodities, whatever that it is that we have on our platform that we are actually trading. So let's have a selected few that we have analyzed and then focus on them and then see if we can make something out. No technique that is 100%. Everybody, every experienced trader out of the market. And another thing is you cannot take 100% out of the market. You can't take all the pips. So just take the little you need to take, then get out of the market. All right. So that is that. So we actually also, this is not a financial advice, please. Like I always say, I think I should put up this. Let me just quickly put this up. Okay. So this is not a financial advice. So be careful of be careful and because we are not telling people financial asset and instrument that we're making videos is more like we are documenting our trades. All right. So if you're here, if you're also watching the videos, it's just more like an so and get the best out, significant, a whole lot significant. I'm just going to draw one in this regard. Now look at price. Price had formed a top and a near top. All right. Let me use like this. It just came close. Okay. Now this is the first leg, this is the second leg, and this is the third leg. So probability that okay, three times. Let's calculate this one, two, and this is the third one. And if I have to calculate, I also want to join this. So look at the numerous times that price has moved back to the north, but did not break this significant stop and reverse level here at what's it called, at 6,131.8 price point. Okay, now it has even moved below another stop and reverse point, which is at 6,062.5. All right. So a potential sell is what we are also, looking at. So we're just analyzing, but we are still going to wait, right? So that is to say, we want to avert a whole lot of risk and be professional enough to, do justice where justice is required. And that explains it. So I've talked about 3 AUD New Zealand. I've talked about US 30. I've also talked about what's it called? Okay. So I'm also going to look into another one. NASDAQ, my favorite. One of my favorite. In fact, all of it, they are my favorite. But yeah, I say majority are my favorite because AUD New Zealand, I don't trade it. It ties money down. Okay. It ties money, it ties trading financial instrument or assets. Okay. So financial instrument or assets. Okay. So they come online. My friend should join us, anytime soon. Okay, so now the same thing I'm also looking at. I've been analyzing 4 hour time frame. Analyzing 4 hour time frame. I could be doing more, by coming down maybe to 1 hour to 1 hour. Yeah, the one to look at it in the 1 hour time frame, and also in the to look at it in the 1 hour time frame, and also in the 1 hour time frame, and also in the 1 hour time frame, and also in smaller time, so in smaller time.
I'm good, bro.
Take care of our children, though, by the grace of God. So I don't analyze. I don't talk about some.
How far now?
I did find them. I did talk about some stuff before you come. I don't talk about, maybe we have to
Okay.
revisit, maybe we have to
Okay.
revisit we have to revisit them again so that we can see perspective. Perspective. I
Which
mean,
which pairs did they look?
I did look at currently on Nasdaq, but we'll still revisit other ones. That I've talked about. Minute where I get remain to that I've talked about. Minute where I get remain to I want to
Okay.
try and I want to
Okay.
try and pull up the to me. I never pull up the to me. I never adjust the check.
My chart now. My chart now. Nasdaq has an engine. So we have a range that we are probably going to trade in something meaningful.
Yeah, sorry.
We draw on the area of interest here. So now, from what I know of the range, anything that I'm doing to the downside, and I think I've at anything that I'm doing to the downside, and I think I've at
I'm actually signaling. We did like make people no
are
go
you with
they
me?
talk say yeah make people no go they talk say we say buy we say sell. I'm actually
For Nasdaq, right? Yes,
yeah yeah
exactly.
Nasdaq US 30 S&P
So
500.
we have yes, yes. Um, 1 second. Let me get. Yeah, yeah, I'm also bearish. I'm also very bearish on this.
Okay.
I'm also very bearish on Nasdaq. So we could take a sell. Yeah, we could take a sell from anywhere. My analysis for S&P 500 is we are bearish as well.
But I mean I'm with
So I'm looking at my analysis. Yeah, that's where I'm looking for buy continuation. So we could take a sell into that price and buy from there to target a new all-time high continuation.
around my stop and reverse at 5,839.
Yeah, so I covered including the stop and reverse area. I covered 820, 823, sorry.
5,823.
Yeah, I covered 0.7 to 5,000 continuation to target a new all-time high. Yeah, that continuation. SPX is very strong.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
US 30, let's see what we have on US 30. Let me take a look from the 4-hour time frame. Um,
What time frame? So the previous month high, you don't hit almost three times.
yeah, remember the last time we talked about that resistance? That resistance is too strong.
Yeah,
Too strong.
yeah.
Has refused to break. Uh, even though ah, this S&P 500, this US 30 chart is quite confusing to me. I have a double bottom. I
Okay.
have a double bottom 41,641. You see that double bottom there. So it has formed the double bottom there while giving a double top as well.
You say 41,
41,641.
641, 41641. You don't know. Okay.
Hmm?
Wow,
Are you there?
that is below the
And we also have a double top at the previous month's high. So there's liquidity at the top and there's liquidity at the bottom of the previous month's levels until one of these levels get taken and gives a confirmation. Then we trade it and we see an impulsive move towards the downside month's low for US 30. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What else were you analyzing?
Okay, I saw the set.
Annoying. So annoying. Don't trade it. Anyway, don't trade it. Anyway.
That's stop and reverse. That's stop and reverse. Level is a major another major place. Level is a major another major place. The scan areas of the scan areas of that level of the previous month's high, previous month's low. The next one they always stay strong. Next one they always stay strong. The next one or the next one. So the next one or the next one. So me
Okay.
a bias for sell. If it go back up, if it go back up, but yes, my analysis say,
For AED,
but yes, my analysis say,
for AED,
AED New Zealand, AED New Zealand.
market. You can see that price took out the liquidity, right? You can see that price took out the liquidity resting at that zone. I didn't. So once that happens, then yes, that is a good for GU. There is still a potential for a long-term sell. So that's where I'm
Baby,
for the long-term sell continuation. Yeah.
yeah. Those levels that I have here, okay, it hit 1.23373. Very significant level
Two
too.
three three seven three. Do you have a stop on reverse?
And the previous one. So I'll be expecting that this current one will, move and as in show a strong beliefs, you know,
Yeah.
well, that will indicate that price we can
And the
buy.
previous 4 are can now, although GU has been moving funny and take us to the upside. So take out the lower liquidity first.
Then yeah, 4 hours. Good. Yeah.
Sell.
Same here. Say
Yes, I'm with you.
okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. You said however.
Yeah. Um. However, however, we're supposed to. So okay, let me look at. Let me look at the right. Look at the right from the weekly into into 105.40. 105.40. At you at you would see that fair value gap. You'd see that fair value gap. So my expectation is for us to fill up that fair value gap before we would go.
Okay.
That is going to happen, of course. So in tropical 110, in tropical 110, 10.19.2. We'll take out 110.2 forward, taking out 110.2 before anything happens. If at all we're going to pull back into that demand area, this should happen first. US dollar pairs. You get me?
Yeah.
To affect other US dollars. So yeah. Let's see how it goes. We're looking at meanwhile, sorry to just cut in. I have a sell expectation for USD JPY.
A sell expectation.
Yeah, for USD JPY.
Let's make it load. Even with the way price currently looks from the 1 hour time frame.
On which pair?
You said USD JPY, right?
Yes, USD JPY.
Okay. I said, did you look at it from the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame?
Yeah, yes, actually. We're still trending bearish anyway, but in price to sell from now.
Mm-hmm.
But regardless, the bias is the same. I expect to sell from where price is now. On the 1 hour, yes, I actually expect price to sell from where it is now. USD JPY. What are you saying?
Seeing possible if this can, yeah, very quiet, just months low. I'll be targeting a buy. I'll be entering looking for a
Mm,
possible buy, targeting 153.70. But the,
okay.
the major bias is on the downtrend. Yeah.
Yeah.
But those levels, they are
Okay.
very, very, they are very, very, make I use my friend English, very important. So now,
okay. Um, I think that's basically what I have analyzed for today. That's what I'm expecting. The one you're looking at.
oh no, no. Currently, no. We've looked at
Okay.
we looked at Dow Jones, which is US 30, Nasdaq, S&P 500, AED New Zealand,
Yeah.
GBP USD, gold, and
Yeah.
you talked about DXY. And
Yeah. DX.
yeah, less than 2 minutes to
Okay.
just round this session up. We don't try. How I wish we
Okay.
could feed you this thing every day.
Let me just add one last one. Silver.
Okay.
I have a huge sell expectation for silver. But
Yeah.
before that, before that is confirmed, I am looking for an impulsive move, at least to break the level where price is now. If
Okay.
that if that happens, if that happens, then I'll be looking to take a sell from 32.35.
32 points
35
and 35.
on how price breaks this level impulsively. I just need to see a further move to the downside. And once that happens, I'll maybe even targeting 28 safe.
Yeah.
That's a swing sell trade.
Yeah.
Expecting us.
You can try. You get less than 10 seconds. So.